Today we will learn about missionaries and cannibals problem. So in this problem we are having 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals, and they have to cross a river. Now on the boat at a time only 2 persons can go. On the boat at any time on both sides of the river, the number of cannibals cannot be greater than number of missionaries. This should not be the condition. Number of cannibals should not be greater than number of missionaries. And for this condition, C should not be greater than M. For this condition, there should be some missionaries on that side of the river. Now, let us suppose this is our river. There are 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals. Now this is the left side and this is our right side. Now in the very first step, what we can do is we can send 2 cannibals to the right side. So we are having 3 missionaries and 1 cannibal on left side and 2 cannibals left for the right side. So on the right side we are having 0 missionary and 2 cannibals. Now the boat cannot row itself. There should be a person on the boat to take it from one side of the river to the another side. Now here, to take back the boat on the left hand side, 1 cannibal will go to the left side by taking the boat. So we are left with 0 missionaries and 1 cannibal. And on the left hand side we are having 3 missionaries and 2 cannibal. Now from the left hand side we can again send 2 cannibals to the right hand side. 0 cannibal, then 2 cannibals moving to the right side, so 0 missionaries and 3 cannibals. Now again to take back the boat on the left hand side, 1 cannibal will go from right to left. So we are left with 0 missionaries on the right hand side and 2 cannibals. On the left hand side we are having 3 missionaries and 1 cannibal. Now from here we can send 2 missionaries to the right hand side. So we are left with 1 missionary and 1 cannibal on the left hand side, and 2 missionaries are going to the right hand side. Then on the right hand side we are having 2 missionaries and 2 cannibals. We are having 2 missionaries and 2 cannibals. Now from the right hand side we will send back 1 missionary and 1 cannibal to the left side. 1 missionary and 1 cannibal to the left side. So on the right side we are left with 1 missionary and 1 cannibal, and on the left side now we will be having 2 missionaries and 2 cannibals. Now we can send 2 missionaries from left hand side to the right hand side. So we are having 2 missionaries here, going from left hand side to the right hand side. Now on the left hand side there are 0 missionaries and 2 cannibals, and on the right hand side we are having 3 missionaries with 1 cannibal. Now from here we will send 1 cannibal from right hand side to the left hand side, 3 missionaries on the right hand side and 0 cannibal. 1 cannibal going to the left hand side. Then on the left hand side we are having 0 missionaries and 3 cannibals. Now from this step we can send 2 cannibals to the right hand side, leaving 1 cannibal on the left hand side. So on the right hand side now we are having 3 missionaries and 2 cannibals. Now from here 1 cannibal can again take the boat to the left hand side. So on the right hand side we are having 3 missionaries and 1 cannibal. On the left hand side we are having 0 missionaries and 2 cannibal. Now in the very next step 2 cannibals will move to the right hand side, leaving 0 missionaries and 0 cannibal on the left hand side and 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals on the right hand side. So now we can see here all the 3 missionaries and cannibals have crossed the river. Now in this solution, in the starting, instead of sending 2 cannibals here, we could have sent 1 missionary and 1 cannibal also. Now in that case we could have 1 missionary and 1 cannibal here and 2 missionaries, 2 cannibal here. Then in the very next case, instead of sending 1 cannibal to the left hand side, we could have sent 1 missionary. We could have sent 1 missionary to the left hand side. Now that again giving us the count 3 missionaries and 2 cannibals. And on the right hand side 0 missionaries and 1 cannibal. So there can be 2 different approaches to start this problem. Now why this one? In the starting we were having 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals. If we have 3 missionaries, 3 cannibals, if I send 2 missionaries to the right hand side, now there will be left 1 missionary with 3 cannibals. This is contradicting our rule where we said that number of cannibals should not be greater than number of missionaries. So we cannot do this. So we are left with either sending 1 missionary, 1 cannibal, 1 from both, or we can send 2 cannibals to the right hand side. So this was the solution for your missionary and cannibal problem. Thank you.